Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones SOUNDCORE Space One with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now, if you see Bluetooth and other devices, excellent, press on it or click Enter. After that, you need to click a device at the right top and select Bluetooth. Then, at the left ear cup, we have a power button. You need to press and hold this power button until this LED light blinked blue. Here we go. And now we should see it at the device list. Here we go. Click on it. And then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!